Hi, my name is Damien and welcome to CTM. Currently, I'm at CTM North Riding and I want to introduce to you the new vinyl range that we have. At the moment, right in the back, we have the Agathis Brown available for us. And come have a look at this beautiful texture. So as you can see, there's different faces within this particular vinyl flooring, which produces the natural effect out of the vinyl flooring. But as you can see, there's slight tones of a little bit of gray, bit of brown. So the benefit of having this Agathis Brown, I just want to show you right here. Come have a look. It's got a built-in underlay. Most of our laminate floorings need an underlay, but all our vinyl floorings already have an underlay in it. Just a simple picture depicts this. As you can see, the underlay is at the bottom. That prevents the moisture from coming up. Then it's 100% waterproofing. So you can put this product in any kitchen, any bathroom, and anywhere. The water won't damage the product. And that's the benefit of this particular product that you have here. And it's a quick and easy installation. It's got the latest click technology. So you as a consumer can have this product, or you can install this product by yourself, or you can get a qualified installer to install this, but it should be very quick and easy. But the most important guarantee of them all is it's got a 25-year warranty behind it. If you want to use it in a light commercial space, it's got a 7-year warranty behind that. And that is why our new vinyl products are the best. So as you can see, if you truly do like this Agathis Brown Vinyl Flooring like I do, come to CTM and come to the website and click on Add to Cart, and we will deliver this beautiful vinyl floor to your home. Thank you so much.